the face.
Okay.
Open it. This one's inside.
Open it one by one.
Okay, this is the doll, but we're not going to open it yet.
Wow, very cute backpack.
So how can it be that? Let me see. And she wears that thing on her mouth.
What is that?
Let's see.
Can I see?
Here. Here, everybody. This is for her mouth. Like a fossil fan, yeah.
What is this?
It's for her mouth.
Oh, like a candy?
Yeah, I think it's bubble gum. She blew a heart to it. And this is her beautiful.
Very cute.
And now it's time for the doll, everybody.
Okay.
And I can't
Time
wait.
for the doll.
You want to see it? It's hard to put on my cap. Yeah. This is the right way, okay? Okay. It's hard. It's hard. You should do the pen first.
It's hard.
Easy. Easy.
It's kind of hard.
I need it to be like this, see? And while you're using Daddy, it's and that hurt.
You don't listen.
You listen.
You need to listen to mommy.
It's so
That's why you need to listen to mommy.
It's her backpack. This is her backpack. Ah! Let's eat this.
Wow, very cute.
Alabo tomorrow.
Dressing up, LOL.
Pack. Here, put on her backpack. Put on her backpack.
Wow. That is so cute.
Her name is. You know what's her name? Go look. Check what's her name. Can you look what's her name?
Oh, okay.
Can you push that?
All right.
Apple Hello Kitty. What is
Let's have our Crystal Cutie.
Crystal Cutie? Can you read?
Crystal Cutie.
Hello, Crystal.
Crystal Cutie.
Crystal honey.
Crystal Cutie.
Crystal honey. Crystal bunny. Crystal what? Crystal Cutie?
Crystal Cutie. She's still Crystal Cutie.
Huh? What's her name?
Crystal Cutie.
Oh, Crystal Cutie.